Let me show you how to make the most incredible tender pork with just 2 buttons and 1 surprising ingredient. This summer delivers 4 of the bowl recipes without any of the traditional fuss. Forget everything you know about cooking pork. No searing, no sugar caramelizing, no watching the pot for hours. Just place blanched pork trotters in your rice cooker with ginger, star anise, and bay leaves. Here's the secret weapon: sour plant drink instead of water or stock. Add just enough salt to balance the sweetness. Then close the lid of rice cooker and press the cold button twice. The rice cooker's gentle heat and the sour plant drink's natural acidity work together to break down the toughest connective tissues while keeping the meat incredibly moist. After the second cycle, add light and dark soy sauce for that classic rich color and depth. When you open the lid, you will find pork so tender it practically dissolves at the touch. With a glossy sauce that clings to every cup, the sour plant drink creates this incredible sweet tart balance that cuts through the richness perfectly. Garnish with fresh cilantro for brightness. This isn't just cooking, it's alchemy that turns simple ingredients into something extraordinary.